Hello, I'm Cody Whipple with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission. Today we're joined by two very special guests, Kelly Williams with the Clearfield County Conservation District and Rachel Kester with Pennsylvania Council of Trout Unlimited. In this video, they're going to introduce you to the planning process as well as the partnerships involved before they actually come in and implement a project to mitigate the effects of abandoned mine drainage.
Thanks, Cody. So treating abandoned mine drainage is really a big undertaking. That's why earlier I said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, because it takes a lot of effort and even a lot of funding to get projects like this done. So we at the district usually take the lead on projects, as in we go out and talk to the watershed groups. So watershed groups are a very important partner when you're treating abandoned mine drainage and doing other projects in the watershed. So here I worked with the Deer Creek Watershed Association. There's a lot of work that goes into it, so there's a lot of sampling, like understanding the problem at hand before you can even tackle it. Like, we have to know what this water quality is before we can treat it, so that we know what kind of treatment we need to put here. We also have to, once we know what we're going to do, like I said, it takes a lot of funding. So a project like this one here, the Deer Creek treatment system that we toured today, it cost over $800,000 to build, and that's a lot of money. And so what do? How do we do that? We don't buy that or can do this with just money in our pockets, and certainly the taxpayers don't pay for that. It's just too big to expect one person or one group to tackle all on their own out of pocket. So we secure grants from things like the Growing Greener program, which is a huge funding source here in Pennsylvania, as well as the EPA Section 319 non-point source grants, which is what funded this project here. So that's probably our biggest sources, but those aren't the only partners and aren't the only funding sources that we work with. There's a whole bunch across the state, and so another partner that I worked with on this particular watershed is Trout Unlimited. And so some of those partners, they helped me do not only checking on this treatment system and monitoring it, but also helping me go down and check the stream to see how the aquatic life, how our trout responded to this treatment.
Hi, again, as Cody said, my name is Rachel Kester, and I just wanted to tell you folks a little bit more about some of the partnerships that make this type of work possible here in Pennsylvania. So I work for the Pennsylvania Council of Trout Unlimited, and I'm the program director for the Coldwater Heritage Partnership Program. This is a small grant program that is a partnership between the Department of Conservation and Natural Resources, the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission, the Foundation for Pennsylvania Watersheds, and also our Pennsylvania Council of Trout Unlimited. So this partnership gives out small grants of $5,000 to $8,000 that are used to do planning and implementation of watershed conservation or restoration projects. So once a group like Kelly identifies a problem, they can come to our program with a proposal of how they hope to clean it up or to fix the problem in the stream. And then if deemed a worthy project and the funding is available, we'll then give them a grant and offer other assistance and resources to help them complete their project. So while we weren't directly involved in funding this project here at Deer Creek, we have provided funding for other streams that have abandoned mine drainage, but we also work on other types of stream pollution, such as non-point source pollution like sedimentation, and we help with stream bank stabilization projects, planting riparian forest buffers, and putting in fish habitat structures. So a wide variety of projects and planning that go into these conservation projects.